In this video, let's understand the use of if formulas. So let us see examples. In this I've got five different examples. So let us see our first example, where I have given you some students' names here. I've given you some scores of the students. So here I would like to find out whether the student has passed or failed. So the condition is that if any of the student has got less than 50, that student is failed. Otherwise, he is passed. So let us see how we use this if formula here. So the condition, the formula is like this. You say equal to, and you'll write if your score, that is D5, is less than 50, comma, double quotes is for printing. So you write down your fail. Otherwise, that student is passed. So the condition has to be done like this. Now close the brackets, final brackets last, and then you press enter. So when you press enter, you get your condition here, saying that Batman, he's got 80. So that's why it is more than 50. So that's why he passed. So now if you drag it down here like this, I should get for the others. So wherever you see fail, that means he's got less than 50. See. So this is how you can use this formula of yours called as if statement over here like this. So this was my first example. So let us see a second example where I have given you, this is actually a nested if statement. It is also called as multiple if statement, where I have given a condition saying that if any of your student has got score more than 90, then he comes under A grade. If he's got 80, then he comes under B grade. 60, then he gets C grade. If it is above 40, then he gets D. If it is less than 40, then he should get E grade. So here I will be using my nested if statement. It's also called as your multiple if statement. So if it's not coming in that condition, then it goes to the next, then next, like that. So this is how you use it. You say equal to if your D5 is greater equal to 90, comma, double quotes, that is A, that is my first statement, comma, again I'll write if your score is greater equal to 80. Why I'm writing that equal to sign? Because I want that 90 also to be added. I want that 80 also to be added actually. So that's why I'm writing that equal to sign in the middle. If it is 80, comma, double quotes, you write B. And my next statement, again if, that is your score, that is your if, your score, that is your D5. If this is greater equal to, my next statement is C grade, right? So that's why now C grade is 60. So if it is 60, comma, double quotes, you write C, comma, again if, bracket open, your D5. If this is again greater equal to 40. So if it is 40, then he comes under D grade. And that's my last statement. So whenever you use your nested if statement or your multiple if statement, last may, you don't have to write if. Just like whatever is your condition that you have to give it. Like my last statement is E. So you write comma, double quotes, you write E. Now how many times if is used? I have used if one is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times, bracket close. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see different colors. At the last may you will have a black color coming. So once you've done this much, you can just press enter. So that should give you an answer. That is Batman has got score 80. So he comes under B grade because he's got 80. So if it is B grade, see, B grade means 80. So now if you drag it down, or you can just double click here, sideways. This is called as a fill handle. Double click. So I should get the answer. See. So Robin comes under C grade. Barbara comes under A, James comes under D, and Alfred comes under D. So you just try to change this marks. If I say, like this is 56, right? So he's got D grade. So if I make this as 34, so it should get E over here, see. So this is how you can use this formula of your nested if statement. So this was my second example. So let us see our third example, which is my if S formula. Now this formula is not available in the older version of Excel. If you're using Excel 2016 or above version, then you can use this formula. It is somewhat same like your nested if statement, what we have used over here. As you can see that we have used if like this. I just want to use only one time if. So that time I can use my this formula of mine called as if s. So formula is very simple. Let's try this out. Equal to if s. There's a formula in Excel called as if s, bracket open. Again you click over here. That is D5. If this is greater equal to 90, then he comes under A grade. So it is like A. In the nested if statement, you have to again say if. Now here you don't have to write that if again and again. Just write comma. Then click on the next again score. If this is again greater equal to 80, then he comes under B grade. Then again comma. That is equal to 80. Then he comes under B grade. So you just write B over here, comma. And again your score, if this is again greater equal to 60, then he comes under C grade, comma. Then again your score, that is D5, greater equal to 40, then he comes under your D grade. Now in the nested if statement we used to give your last statement was E, right? So you just write comma and write E over here. But when you're writing if else statement, you have to give a option called as comma here again and 1. 1 stands for true. So if it is greater, if he's coming in any of this statement, then he gets pass. Otherwise he'll get failed. So that's why that 1 is coming over here, comma. And then if it is less than any of this, then he comes under E. So you write your E and final bracket close. So this is how you use your if else statement. So once you've done this, you can just press enter. So I should get the same output, see, B. And now you can just double click on the corner here. So I should get for the best. So this is how you can use this formula of your if else formula. So let us see our third example where I have given you saying some students' names here. I've given you some scores here and the attendance is also given here. So how much is the attendance? So if he's got marks, that is score more than 40 and attendance should be 50%, then only he gets pass actually, otherwise fail will come. So here again I'm using my multiple if statement here, but I'll be using my formula called as if and here now. Why? Because I'm having two conditions I'm checking here. One is for score and the other one is for attendance. So that's why I will be use if and. So when I'm using if and, that is your score is more than 40, comma, then attendance should be having greater than 50%, that is 0.5. 0.5 stands for 50%. Otherwise, what will happen? It should get pass. It should get pass. Otherwise, if it's not falling in this, you will get fail. And close the bracket. Both the conditions should be true. If one condition is true and the other is false, he will not get pass. He will get fail over there. Enter. So as you can see that both these conditions are true. He is having more than 40 marks and his attendance is more than 50%. So that's why he is getting 70% here. So that's why he is getting pass over here. So when you drag it down for the others, see here you see. He has got more than 40 marks here, but his attendance is not more than 50. It's exactly just on the 50 mark actually. That's why he's getting fail over here. You'll also see he's got more than 40 marks here, but his attendance is only 25%. So that's why fail. The rest all you see is getting pass because his condition is true over here. He's having more than 40 marks here. Attendance is 50%. So that's why this is how you do this formula. This is how you use your nested if statement only, but in this case I've used if and multiple two conditions I'm having here. One is score and one is attendance. So this is how you use this formula. This was my third example. That was my fourth example. Now I will show you my last example, that is my fifth example, which is over here, where I've given you some company name, that is BAT Mobile Driving Schedule January 2024, where I've entered some dates over here. This is the month of January, 1st January till 31st January 2024, where I would like to find out, this is the condition, if this date is falling on Monday, then the person who should drive is James. If this date is on Tuesday, then it's Batman. Wednesday is Robin. Thursday is Barbara. Friday is again Batman. Saturday is again Robin. Sunday is again Batman. So like that, I would like to find out if that day is coming on Monday, then this person should be doing the driving. So like that, I would like to find out this example. Normally we have a formula in Excel called as equal to weekday. When I use this formula called as weekday, that is this date, that is C33, comma. As you can see that there are some numbers here given here. You can see this one is Sunday, 2 is Monday, 3 is like that. It gives you some numbers here. So I want to like to add 2. 2 is Monday, so I'll write 2 over here. I'll close the brackets and I say enter. So here I will just get the week actually. The number is coming here. So when I drag it down also, I will just get the number here. That is 1 is actually Sunday, 2 is Monday, 3, 4 like that. 3 is Tuesday, 4 like that. But I don't want the numbers to be appearing here. I want the names to be coming over here actually. So that's why Excel has given you a formula called as choose. So you will have to use this formula called as choose for that. Bracket open, then weekday, then click on this C33, comma 2. 2 is actually Monday. Close the brackets, comma, and then if it's coming on Monday, who should drive? James. So you just write down the name of your JMG. That is your first name. Again, comma. Then if it is Tuesday, then Batman will come. Then again you just double quotes me, you just write down the name there. That is Batman. Double quotes, comma. If it's Wednesday, it's Robin. So you just write down your Robin, comma. If it is Thursday, then it's Barbara G. So you just write Barbara G in double quotes. And if it is Friday, then it is again Batman. Again double quotes me, write Batman, comma. If it is Saturday, it is Robin. So just double quotes Robin. And if it is Sunday, it is again Batman. So again double quotes me, just write down the Batman. And the final bracket will get closed over here. So if it is coming on Monday, first and I press enter. So as you can see that Monday who should drive? James. So that's why this date is on Monday date actually. So if you drag it down here like this or double click, I should get it. See, Tuesday is Batman. Then again Robin is Wednesday. This is Wednesday date. Thursday is again Barbara. Then 5th January is again Batman. Okay, so like that it sure tells you. If you want to check it properly, if it is not, just check your calendar. As you can see, first is Monday, so that's why you're getting James over here. Second is Tuesday, no? So Batman. Wednesday is 3, that is Robin. Then 4th is Barbara G, that is Thursday. Then Friday date is 5th, so that's why you're getting the Batman again. And 6th is Saturday. 6th is, that is again it's Robin. Then 7th is Sunday, so that comes Batman. So this is how you can use this formula of yours. So I hope you have understood these examples and keep on practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.